Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will say animals home and sounds of animal.
Dog,
Kennels,
horse,
stable,
cow,
shed,
pig,
stay,
pet birds,
cages,
birds,
nest,
rabbit,
burrow,
snake,
holes,
spider,
webs,
bees,
hives,
lions,
den,
tigers,
den,
hens,
coops,
tiger,
cave. Sounds of animal now.
elephant,
Trumpet,
lion,
roars,
monkey,
hoops,
horse,
needs,
rat,
squeaks,
cow,
moose,
donkey,
berries,
frog,
crocs,
goat,
blades,
cat,
news,
dog,
barks.
snake,
Giraffe has no voice. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye guys. Love you all. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.